been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Milan, Coal Valley, Buffalo, Riverdale, Oak Grove, Taylor Ridge, Carbon Cliff, Silvis Heights, Point Center, Indian Bluff Park, Credit Island, West Lake Park, Rock Island, Arsenal, and Fruitland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 295 and 297. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 280 between mile markers 3 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following county: Rock Island, Illinois, and Scott, Idaho.